Hello guys, this is Marcellus Henry 10 here. I'm going to show you how to get custom ringtones on your iPad into your iTunes library to put on certain devices or to put any custom ringtones on any iDevices that uses FaceTime or calling feature. I don't know about the other. Or you put on your iPod Touch. The first thing you want to do, I'm going to show you, is to make sure your iPad is connected. Once your iPad is connected, you should open up iTunes. Now, if you set it when it's connected, then iTunes should automatically pop up. But you open it to it says iTunes right there. This is my iTunes library already open. Let's click on it. When your iTunes come up, it should say like your name of your iPad or something, like John's iPad or something. Mine says Marcellus's iPad, and I will click on that. Now, your summary of your iPad will come up. Now we will click on Apps. And now it will show the pictures of how your apps are organized. You're going to scroll down. And here are the file sharing. You just go to Apps. You see Apps. And then you'll see file sharing. And then it says select us from the left to view the next iPad. Okay, I say, you see I have two ringtones. This one is the Pro that I just downloaded. This is the Lite. I'll click on that. You'll see No Worries, edited version, Lil Wayne, .m4r. Then you have Swimming Pool is Drake, Kendrick Lamar, .m4r. Now you can also rename this. So I'm going to rename this, not Swimming Pools, Drake, Kendrick Lamar, but I'm going to name this Swimming Pools. Make sure you add the .m4r. I'm going to change this to No Worries. I'll put Kendrick Lamar. Just want to change this one. But I can't change it right now, so I will click on it. When you scroll down, you'll see Save To. You click on Save To. And this iTunes thing will pop up. And you'll scroll up on the side. And you'll click on Desktop. You'll click on Select Folder. And it'll be saved to your desktops. So on Swimming Pools, click that. You click Save To. I'll click on Desktop. I'll click on Select Folders. And then for the ringtones, for the other one, I did My Recording.m4r. I'll click on My Recordings.m4r. Please do not change the .m4r anything, because if you change that, it cannot find the file. And you'll click Save To. You'll click Desktop. And you'll click Select Folder. Now when I minimize that, here it is. No Worries, Swimming Pools, and then My Recording. So I'm going to double click No Worries. And it comes up.
I ain't got no words. I ain't got no words. I ain't got no words.
It should be in your tone.
So I ain't got no words. I ain't got no words. I ain't got no worries. You see money right there. That's Tucci right there. Turn it, that's Batman right there. We ain't got no worries. You see right there. Black on mango right there. Them chummies right there.
And you'll see Swimming Pools. It just pop up in that one thing. You'll see Swimming Pools. You should find that right here. I'm gonna pause that. I'm gonna minimize it, and I should find my recording. New text message. New text message. My recording. Now, since all of that is saved by one just click, what you're gonna do is you're gonna find it. So, like Swimming Pools, Kendrick Lamar. I'm gonna click that. I'm gonna drag it into my iPad. And then I will find No Worries. hold it, click it onto my device. That will find my recording. Hold it, click it, bring it over to my device. As you see, updating my files. Then when you're done, you go ahead and go into the iPad. Your iPad will unlock. And you'll go to settings. As you see, I did not have any ringtones. I was meant to show you that before. But you'll go to sounds. You'll go to ringtones. And there they are. Ringtones. You have a line. And there they go. My recording. New text message. New text message. I'm gonna let y'all tap that again so y'all can hear it. New text message. New text message. No worries.
Look me in my face. I ain't got no words. I ain't got no words. I ain't got no worries. See them strummers keep me
up. Swimming pools. And like that. And then I see as you have my ringtone set to swimming pools. Drake, Kendrick Lamar. And you see right now I got my text on. It says choo choo. So right now I'm going to scroll down to ringtones. I'm going to tap my recording. New text message. New text message. Now when you do ringtone, as soon as you pull it up, it's going to say ringtone. It's not going to be in your alert tones. It's going to be in your ringtones. New text message. New text message. And guys, that's how you put your ringtones on your iDevice by creating your own with your own music library. Thank you guys. This is Marcella's Ringtones, and I'm out. And I'm peace out. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy.